Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting load immediately. Open Activity Monitor and quit the top CPU hogs. This drops temperature fast. Once done, disconnect external drives and remove any case so air can flow. Make sure vents are clear. Next, update Mac OS and check SMC and NVRAM. Reset them if you suspect firmware hiccups. These steps act as kill switches and housekeeping. They reduce heat while you prepare for deeper fixes, and they show whether the problem is software or hardware related. Once preliminary fixes are in, run Apple Diagnostics and note any error codes. That tells you if a sensor or board is failing. Then inspect fans, listen for grinding and use TG Pro or Max Fan Control to force spin and read RPMs. Make sure fans respond. Next, audit background services. Remove unneeded launch agents, kernel extensions, and login items that keep CPU busy. These actions reveal whether overheating is from failing hardware, stuck fans, or runaway software, and guide your next repair decision. Finish by cleaning and thermal restoration. If you're comfortable, open the Macbook, blow dust from vents and fans with compressed air, and reseat or replace thermal paste to restore conduction. Make sure battery health isn't causing heat. Replace if swollen or failing. If temperature stays high, boot into safe mode to test, use an external cooling pad, and contact Apple or an authorized repair shop for board-level faults. If anything goes wrong, note symptoms and error codes before seeking professional help so technicians can act fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.